Hello and welcome back to Irish Chippy channel. My name is Pascal. You know the 1 pound camping cylinders, the ones that you, disposable ones. Some people fill them. It is not illegal to fill them, but it's illegal to fill them and transport them in your vehicle because they are not strong enough. So Flame King came out with this kit where they made their own cylinder, which is substantially heavier. And the Department of Transportation says you can transport these cylinders while they're full in your vehicle because it's much harder. It's like a normal cylinder. So we can fill these. The best way to fill these is to buy the kit. If you like this video or any of our other videos here on Irish Chippy channel, please subscribe. I'll put a link in the description where I bought this. When you buy the kit, it holds the cylinder up. The 20-pound cylinder should be only upright, and it should be only like that for less than 15 minutes. So it comes with all the attachments and it comes with the stand. So we are going to put the stand together first, then we're going to fill it. There is a bleeding screw on this so that you can't overfill it. We're supposed to fill it 80% and then we stop. So we'll take everything out of the box. The screw goes up and we put a washer on it and then we put a wing nut on it. Just tighten the wing nut. You might need to hold it with a screwdriver on the back side and get it nice and tight. And then we put the screws through here. Also with a washer and a wing nut. So we tighten up them all then like this. Now you're supposed to use a 20-pound cylinder on this. I don't have a 20-pounder one. I have a little bit bigger, but I'll put it up myself here. Then we put our cylinder up on top. Then we go to our box. Now I thought the hex key didn't come with it. It was actually stuck on this with the sellotape. There it is there. That's important. We'll take the cover off this, the protector cover. There is a little warning on this. You can take it off as well. So we'll take the sleeve off this. That's our cylinder. This one, you put this one on when you're transporting. So this is the part the important part that comes with it. This is the filler. And I will show you how that works now in one moment. So we just screw this on like normal we do. Make sure your valve is turned off. As I said, don't leave the cylinder in this position for too long. Make sure you have it nice and level like this. Make sure that's tight. And we just put this on like normal. Make sure it's on nice and tight. You should really wear goggles or safety glasses. Maybe gloves as well. They say gloves. Now the bleeder screw is here, right? So we'll use the Allen key or hex key, and we will loosen it maybe 1/4 of a turn. I'm going to tighten it up first and then loosen it 1/4 of a turn. The relief valve is over here on this side. So next thing we do is we open our cylinder like this. And make sure you do this outdoors now. Now you can hear the gas going in. The air is coming out through here. You can feel the cylinder getting colder. Don't open this too much or you'll let out too much of the gas. And then after about 1.5 minutes you can see that, and then you release that and then you turn this. It takes about 2 minutes to fill it. And then we will close this off. And now we know we are only 80% full. And then we tighten this, and there will be some gas in this, of course, but we will let it out now in a moment. You can put soapy water on the top of that. Yeah, it's heavy, a lot heavier now. It's 1 pound heavier. So then we will release the gas that's in here, okay? I've bought a couple of these now, so when we're going camping, we can bring 2 of these with us in the car, and we know we're not breaking any laws of the, plus the fact that these are much stronger, heavier, they're well like a real cylinder like this one. You can buy extra cylinders, you can buy this part on its own, but this upside down stool is ideal. It makes it much simpler for it. I'd recommend a smaller cylinder than this. The 20 pounder is the normal one you have. What I'll do is, where I bought this one, I bought this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description where I bought it. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video or any of our other videos, please subscribe.